I'll be investigating just using Rust. Right now, it's just investigating how an LSP works. So I'm going to yank that thing. Let's go like this. Let's have a little test. Let's see, and let's see. Hold on. Let's close this down and let's go like this. Let's go add to. Let's go cargo build. Cargo build. I mean, I guess I should probably do it in release. It doesn't really matter. We'll just start with build, and I'm gonna go find build target debug. Let's see. Executable. What is it called? What is it? I'm calling it LS. That's what it's called. Okay, so if I do one of these and I hit him with one of those, debug, LS, I should get hello world. Boom. Okay, got it. So I've never really done anything. Like, I know how an LSP works. I just don't know how it, like, literally works. Like, I understand the point that you launch a process. The process uses IPC typically, as far as I can tell. It uses something called JSON RPC. There's a bunch of definitions. It calls. I just don't know how the handshake works. We're just going to go investigate things. And I'd like to get just like a basic understanding of how LSPs work. You get it? Hey, Denzel, how you doing? Swark, thank you very much. Putting in the work. Hell yeah, girl. So, are you winning, son? I am. Marker. Hey, Valorize, thank you. LSP spec research? Yeah. I'm just going to try to start implementing one. I've kind of already looked a little bit over some source code. We'll see. So I got this thing all nice and going. So I'm just going like this. Add to path target debug. And we probably need to vim cargo. Let's rename this thing to testing LSP, right? Let's just call it that. Testing LS. That seems a little bit better, right? And cargo build, find blah, blah, blah. So we should have testing LS. Perfect. That's what we should be calling this thing. And let's go like this. Let's go to testing Lua. That will be our kind of our main file. And then this thing will be main. There we go. Now we have that. And the name of our server, let's just call it testing LS. The command will literally be testing LS. And then root dir. Now this is a great question. I guess I don't really have a, we'll just start here, right? Cargo.toml, why not? There we go. So now I should be able to start it. I actually have no idea how these things work, right? So I gotta investigate logging, I gotta investigate how, there's a lot to it. I only know like the basics of it. Started your algorithm and data cross. Oh, nice. Awesome. Intro, Vertsco. Thank you very much. I appreciate that on account of the brand new Twitch Prime. Let's go. Thank you. I found your videos, YouTube, and just wow, you're making all such content. Wish you all the best. Greetings from Ukraine. Oh, well, thank you. Hey, greetings from South Dakota, United States of the world. Internal language? No, not an internal language. Just checking. Just might make some tools that will be useful for developers. We're not building a language.
Welcome to
that'd be shitty.
I love you.
You know what I mean? I don't want to do that. I have no desire to do that. Andre, thank you very much. Andre Capico and B Buff. Like, there's already plenty of stuff. Ligma server protocol, yeah, maybe. It's like this in all languages. It's negative zero is a floating point specification. What is it? 756-1984. Floating point spec, right? 754-1985.
I love you.
Is it? Boo. Anyways, whatever. Doesn't matter. Hey, Rukar, thank you very much. Guten Tag. Okay, so I'm just gonna shout out, see what happens. Do I get an error? We got Copilot, Rust Analyzer. So those are the things that are currently running, which is kind of interesting, right? And so let's go back to here. Let's keep reading. Let's see. Okay, to install a language server, we already kind of have one going. To configure an LSP client, here's the minimum setup. Okay, then we have to do a start for details, and this will configure key maps and auto commands, blah, 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 blah. So let's add actually one more thing to it, which is, if I'm not mistaken, there's this nice little LSP attach business, right? And let's go in here, and let's throw this thing in.
Welcome to Costco.
And let's go like this. Let's go print args, right? Vim inspect args. Right, let's not do that. There we go. Does that look good? Hey, thank you. Is Matt Proco. Thank you very much. You got stuck in Vim? I'm always stuck in Vim. Is your job focused on dev experience versus customer? Yeah, I'm more of a dev debugging experience, right? So my whole goal is to make things more debuggable. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? Thank you, R. Hugler. Let's go.
Costco.
Okay, R. Hugler. We'll huggle these nuts. What? All right, so let's go like this. Read standard in. I forget what it is. I know you gotta be like a let mute. Input equals string. What is it? New, right? Something like that, right? We have to create a buffer. Then we gotta read it, and then let's print ln. Input. Yeah. And do this, and go like that, and let's go like this. Loop, and let's just keep reading. Let's go like this. So eventually this thing will just crash, and we're gonna go like this. Print ln. Let's see. Waiting for standard in. I don't know how the communication works in a language server. I think it's IPC. I'm just gonna see, is it like literally a named pipe? Does it go directly into standard in? I don't know how it all works. So I'm just testing things out, you know, and then we're gonna go from there. We're gonna read a little bit. We're gonna check some things out. We're gonna try some stuff, you know what I mean? And can I do anything like this? So I was hoping this would just connect. Let's see, maybe I can LSP info. There's 2 clients attached to this buffer. But notice that we just don't have the other one. So I must be having some sort of goof going on here. So let's do some more reading, okay? What do you mean by spike? Spike is research, dog. File type. Yeah, I probably need some file type, all that kind of stuff. Okay. Starting an LSP client will auto magically report diagnostics via the Vim diagnostics config to learn how to set it up. Okay, to also set some buffer options if the options are otherwise empty. Okay. OmniFunc is set to Vim OmniFunc. This allows trigger completion. Okay, awesome. Tag func. Okay. Formatter. Let's go. To use the LSP features like hover, rename, and all that, you can attach it. Yep, that's cool. Yep, we know all about those ones. Note, not all language servers provide the same capabilities. To ensure you only have key maps if the language server supports a feature, you can guard the key map calls behind capability checks. So part of this is, hey, T-Got, thank you for that tier 3. Holy cow, 4 months. Hey, I appreciate that, buddy. Appreciate that. I'm working for Netflix right now. Well, thank you. If client, okay, so you can do this kind of stuff. Cool. So I can actually do all that language server. To learn what capabilities are available, you can run the following command. Get active. Okay, cool. So let's see. How do I force a reload? We can do the stop. Why isn't my... Let's see. In the buffer where you want the LSP, check OmniFunc is set to Vim Lua LSP OmniFunc. Oh, cool. Okay, so you can actually do something like that. That's kind of cool. So I can go some nonsense. But obviously, this thing is not... I'm not setting, like, maybe there's, like, files that need to happen. There's things that need to happen that I don't really know. I just want to get that initial... I want to see it try to launch the process, right? I want to start there, launch the process. Why don't we go like this? You know, it'd be kind of fun to do. I'm going to go like this. First off, I'm going to go... let's go like this. And let's hit him with the result. One of these, right? Go here and go cargo, add anyhow. Do one of those. Let's just do a LSP restart. There we go. Now that we have that, we can go like this. Return error. Oops, I did it again. There we go. That seems pretty good. And then use anyhow. Yeah, a result. There we go. Bam. And now we got that. Oh, I can't do that, right? I have to do this. Wait. I didn't say anyhow. Yeah, not implemented. There we go. Feels good. We got this thing, and now let's go like this. Let's go fs standard, fs right, and let's go temp test. Do I even get launched? Do I get launched? I don't know how to do logging yet, so we'll figure out all these things as time goes on. But first, let's go in here. Fantastic. And so let's go here and go cargo watch x run. There we go. Error not implemented. Perfect. Okay, cargo build. Can I just go like this? Build. Good. That looks good. Go here and do that. Nice. Okay. Okay, that's good. that means we definitely did something, right? Something just happened there that just got broken. So if I go like this, cat temp test. Okay, so we are getting launched, so we can kind of see how this thing is all getting set up, so we know that we're doing that. The thing that's not happening is it's clear that no connections being made, right, that we know of. So just to kind of prove to myself that that's not happening, let's go like this. Let's go loop and go here, go here. Just because, again, I really don't know how these things work, right? I'm big stupid. You know, I think we can all agree with that one. I think we can all agree that I'm stupid. You guys are incredibly smart. There we go. And so let's do, there's a way to write with path contents. There's a way to open a file. Let mute file handle equals standard fs open, right? Isn't open a function? No? What the hell? Well, what the hell is it? Okay, guys, what is this autocomplete business? Write, copy, read. Open file for appending. File options new, append true, open test. Ah, you do an open options. There is a crate for LSP that is maintained. Yeah, no, I saw some of those things. I was just looking at the basic connections. I thought there was only a type one. Is there actually one is there like a base LSP implementation? I thought there was only a types, like an LSP types Rust one, right? I thought there was this. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is the one I was looking at. Yeah. Holy crap, that's trash statement to open a file. Well, the thing is that there's it spawns a server and 2 channels for you. Oh, really? Can you link it? It's like you're baiting me a little bit. Because that'd be great, because that's like a huge start of just like getting things running. Is the leptospirosis guy coming? Yeah. Is it? Are you real? What's the goal of the language server? To do language server things. You know what I mean? What am I drinking? Oh, man, if only we had a name behind this green drink that I keep on drinking. If only. Is this happening? Language, server, library, main. Oh. So I can actually get an LSP server, generic LSP scaffold. Okay, so I can actually download this thing and use it. Hell yeah, that'd be great. Oh, baby. I see, I only found the types. I didn't even realize I had that. Thank you for that. Yeah. Hell yeah, girl. All right. What about full stack engineering versus front? I don't have any opinions. I don't care. I guess we are naming a drink then. Well, if only the company that, if only there was a company on the internet. If only there was a company that made drinks with green powder that would sponsor me, because I keep drinking these green powder drinks, but just cannot quite remember the name. What's the name? I just can't remember. I'm going to take that out. If only there was something. If only there was something, people. If only there was, man, if only there was something that you guys could. Is it Shrek juice? Is it called Shrek juice? I don't know. If only it was something. If anyone, just anyone knew. Stop swearing, please. Booger juice, weed tea, ogre milk, spirulina. Ooh, yeah, I do like me some spirulina. Okay, anyways, enough of this crap. Here we go. Let's go like this. Let's just give it the old jump in there. All right, so how do we use this thing? Let's check out. Nice. They have this. Look at this. All right. Anyways, main box dime, loser. AirPrint starting a generic LSP server connection standard IO. See, I thought it was a standard. I create this transport. See, I thought it was the standard IO. Okay. Run the server and wait for the two threads to end. Typically triggered by an LSP exit event. Saturday JSON, two values, server capabilities defined. One of left true. What? I don't know what that means. Default. Okay. Okay. Unwrap. Okay. Initialization parameters. Connection. Initialize. Server capabilities. Main loop. Okay. Let's just yank this thing. Let's yank the thing. You know what I mean?
Welcome to Costco.
Let's yank the thing. Hey, thank you. Okay. Welcome to Costco. I love you. And this is a nightmare filled with all of your bad feelings becoming good feelings. So someone who actually knows Vim is crazy. I use it, but I don't understand. Yeah, I'm pretty good with the old Vim. Yogurt naturally, thank you very much. And the Goof, thank you very much. And Magical Toast, 8 months, that is magic. Hey, I think, well, I mean, okay, so I can't. Okay, so here's the problem. Monero. I'm biased in this. I think Front End Masters is great. I feel like you can't ask me. You know what I mean? I'm too biased in it. I have lots of courses on Front End Masters. I'm going to be teaching more courses on Front End Masters. I just don't feel like it's good. You know, I don't feel like it's fair to. I don't feel like it's fair. Cargo add LSP types. There we go. LSP restart, because I don't know why. Unbiased opinion, I swear. I know. That's why I'm just telling you I'm super biased and I think it's a great place. I've been using Front End Masters through work. It's magical to get to know anything web. Yeah. I don't do any front ends, yeah. But you hate front end. Yeah, Front End Masters is becoming a larger place. And obviously they couldn't purchase the domain Back End Masters, as that might potentially have a different meaning. You know what I mean? Cargo add, Saturday features derive, yup, and cargo add, Saturday JSON. I'm just saying there could be like a back-end enthusiast. Now that could, you know, that's another thing. Back-end blasters, that, you know, I just don't think we got it. Is for sale? No, it is not. I refuse to click that link because the danger of that link is entirely too high. All records indicate Prime is the JS expert. I'm just not gonna, nope. I'm literally not going to touch it. I don't care how many people. Backdoor professionals, yep, still refusing. Okay, look at this. So this is literally as thin as I can make this client, right? And so there we go. We got it all running. So if I were to go here and go like this.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
What did we get here? We got client ID 15, home, LS test Lua, client ID, okay. We got a bunch of stuff. Look at this. We got a lot of attaches going on, huh? Look at this. Okay. So we got a lot of things attached, right? Here's the buff. Here's the file. Here's all these things. Okay. Okay, LSP info. We have, what do we have? We have Copilot, we have testing LS. Well, look at that. It's actually pretty incredible that a lot of this code is completely available. You know what I mean? All right. All right, so let's see what we got here. Starting a generic server. So we literally, what is this? This is LSP server. Oh gosh, I'm doing that thing again where, oh no. Okay, so connection. Okay, so this is doing a standard transport, standard IO transport, connection receiver, IO threads. Okay, so it literally is just doing a connection, which I assume the connection Yeah, has a sender receiver. Okay, cool. And what are these sender receivers? They're cross beam. Is that like the one people use? Okay, so crossbeam is supposed to make. I've seen crossbeam. I've never really used crossbeam, but crossbeam is supposed to be something that is like a basic async kind of handler, right? It's no async await, right? It doesn't. It does channels. It does stuff, right? Okay, cool. Cool. All right, so we got the connections, and then we got this. So this is interesting too, which is, what is this thing, right? I don't know. Can I, by the way, how do I see? Let's see, note that we must, we must have our logging only write to standard error. Of course, that makes sense, because if we write standard out, we actually write the answer to any query onto the standard out, which would actually go back to Vim. Right, so I wonder if there's like some like really cool hacking you could do with that. You know what I mean? I wonder what you could do with that. You know what I mean? Your mom has a nice standard out. Don't think I like that. You know, I'm not gonna lie to you. You need C#. Oh, good jokes. Okay, so I bet you there's a way to see error logs. I bet you there's a way to see error logs, right? Let's go back to here, logs. Members, name string. If the name is specified on creation, this will be used. Otherwise, it is just the name of the client ID. This is used for log messages. Isn't there a way to see some sort of like, does anyone know the Vim? Hey, Potato and Taco. Help, LSP. What kind of, do we have like logs? LSP. Log module get returns the log file name. Okay, vim dot lsp dot, is it that? Yeah, log dot get file name. Wait, hold on. Lua print vim inspect, just in case it's a table. Vim lsp log get file name. I don't see why it'd be a table. Okay. Wait, why is that nil? What? Lua print vim lsp log. What? You're nil? Well, F. How do we do some logging, huh? How do we do some logging? Because I want to know where the logs are. LSP log? Oh, LSP log. Oh, nice. Let's see, server, let's see, no handler found for all this kind of stuff. Okay. Do I get like... Interesting, so I don't have... Do I have testing LSP or testing LS? So I do have... Oh, nice. Okay, so they do have that. Nice, so I do have a standard out. Cool, so I do have a standard out. Starting... Okay, nice. Nice! Look at what we got here. So this is how we can do something that makes a lot of sense. So now here's the next question. I wonder if there's LSP debug tools.
Welcome to Costco.
Like,
I love you.
How do I find the name of this file? Because what I want to do is I want to launch a little window, and I just want to tail that file, right? Little tail F, launch the window, write it out to a buffer. Real simple, real easy, not a lot to it. Create a very simple little module, right? Some easy stuff. And then you can put some basic filterings on it, and we can look really good. Super basic questions. Are you appending to an existing LSP or modifying one? I'm creating my own. You can write your own Copilot using ChatGPT API. Bash indirection. That sounds like a metal band name decided by a bunch of geeks that don't understand metal band names. Where's Teach? I know. Okay, so this could be cool. So let's see. Is there like a way to just... Is there a way to do this without... I mean, I really don't want to like hard code this, but maybe we just hard code it for now. What do you guys think about that? Little hard code right now? Should we hard code it? No, I know it's right there, but is it always going to be that? Could be. All right. All right, so let's go like this. Let's go personal. I wonder if this thing exists. I don't know if this thing exists. So I'm just going to make it because it's going to be fun for me to kind of learn some basic things about LSPing. You know what I mean? Because the reality is that I'm not only going to have to make this plugin work as just an LSP server, I'm also going to have to consider how to make it work with VS Code. You know, and that's going to be less fun, but, you know, you got to do it. I'll slog through it. You know, I'm a man. Okay? You know what I mean? I can do it. I'm not sure of the goal. We're making an LS. PD's nuts. All right, so I'm going to go like this. I'm sure this already... I'm just going to call it LSP debug tools. .neovim, because I think that's what everyone calls it these days. LSP. They like to put that crap in there. Now, I forgot how to actually start a project like this, right? I know you got to have a Lua in here, and then this is where you actually do the LSP. Let's see. LSP debug tools. .neovim, I think is what you want to call this thing. Oopsies, I didn't make it as a directory. LSP debug tools. It's been so long since I've created a plugin. So I think we want to do that, and we want to go index.lua. If I'm not mistaken, it's index.lua, right? LSPP. Ooh. And we're going to go like this. Let's just do a nice little print. I am a plugin, and you just initialized me. Okay, we can do this. All right, this seems easy, right? There we go. Oh, is it a knit? It's a knit. You're right, a knit. Isn't it nice? Let's go here. Let's go to, actually, we already have one right here. Let's jump over here. Let's create a new suppository. Isn't it nice? LSP debug tools.neovim. There we go. This probably isn't the droid you are looking for. Create that. Go right here, take that, semicolon, you don't really need it, it's Lua, you know what I mean, get in it that nice, get remote add origin, pap that one in there, get push aura, get status, get add this, get commit this feature, in oh, Batman, bam, get push origin master, bam, 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 add, let's see, add to path, I think, do we need to add this thing to path? No, we need to add it to the runtime path of my .files. Go in here. Let's vim this up. CD neovim. I should just make something that opens this up all super easy. I feel like I just need something that does that. You know what I mean? Batman, of course, they have no parents. He has no parents, this commit. And so there we go. We got that. We got the little bit of plugin. We got a little bit of after. We got a little bit of this. So now all we need to do is just be able to do something with the runtime path. And if I'm not mistaken, I actually have something in PrimeGen in it. Kind of nice. Yeah, runtime path. Do not include this one. Streamer tools. See, I already have something like this. So we need this one, and this one's going to be called LSP debug tools. Let's go. There we go. Beautiful, eh? Hey, isn't it nice? There we go. There we go. Seems kind of nice. I like what I'm seeing right now. I'm happy with everything. Let's just quit that thing, and let's just throw this in here, and let's go, let's add in a, let's have a little debug Lua. So first off, let's have a require, let's see, LSP debug tools.neovim, bam, 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 bam. I don't think I actually need this thing. I think I should rename that, right? I think you just want, yeah, hell yeah, girl. All right, so there we go. We're gonna do this, and so if I shout this out, yay! All right, everything's working. We're back up. We're running. You know, I forget some of these things. Let's see. So now that we have that, let's go like this. Let's jump into here. Let's add this to my delicious harpoonia. You know what I mean? By the way, I learned today you can do Lua equals to see the result. Yeah. It's pretty cool. I always end up doing print. I don't know why. It's kind of like old habits are super hard to die. Just like ZZ is super hard to die. All right. So now that we have that, let's go like this. Vim. Okay, so I don't have any of that. So cool. Lua, Vim. Let's see. What do we want to call it? We probably want to call this thing It's Vim API, isn't it? It's Vim, Vim API. And then we got all of this. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, yeah. I think there's something with, like, the word NeoVim. Oh, my goodness. Stop doing the autocomplete where it does the whole thing. I'm so used to a different way to do this. So we got to do, like, a win create. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, there's create buff, user space, auto command. There's some sort of window business as well, which is nice. Win, close all, do all these kind of things. We can create a buffer. We can create all this. And I think there's something even with the word float in it. Whoopsies. API, do one of these. Can I do that? Is there a way? I just wish I could grep all this. So I just want to be able to grep all these things. Let's see. How do we create a window again? See, I see buff, but I swear there's like a create win or win create. I swear there's a win create. Win close, win call, win set. There's a win something. There's definitely a something here. I'm trying to remember that. Hey, thanks for the follows. I have exactly zero idea what's going on. That's fine. Is there something with the word float in there? Float. Okay. API dot Lua Vim API dot NeoVim win. We got close get set hide win close. Is there a win open? Is that what we're looking for? Do I have oh yeah, I do. Win create.
It turns all your bad feelings into good feelings.
So I have all these ones.
It's a night.
Win
Welcome
open.
to Costco. I love you.
NeoVim win? I forgot I had all this. Do I not have this? I knew it was something weird like that. Okay, that's the one we're looking for. Creates a new window. Man, I knew that one. I know there's a great reason, and TJ will tell me why it's a great reason. I just don't like it at all. I'm sure, I'm positive there's a great reason why. It makes perfect sense, but I don't understand why. Do I want to enter? True. And then we can, ooh, look at this. This is one thing that's kind of cool. Let's see. Relative to editor style. I think, what kind of, okay, let's go like this. Oh, let's go v help, and it's, let's see, open win. Let's see, we have exactly one of external or relative. Let's see, and relative must be specified. Yep. So we can do relative to the window. Okay. We'll do relative to the window. And there's a way to do floats, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Config. Relative sets the window layout to floating, placed at row column. Okay. Okay, so we want relative win. All right, let's see what happens here with this style. What was style? Minimal? I don't think, I honestly don't think these actually make sense. Nice. Border, single, okay. Okay, look at that. Okay. Row, wait. Why didn't that go all the way over? Oh, interesting, is row. Whoopsies. That's not what we want. Okay, is this thing relative to how big the window is? Okay, so that's at 20. So for a column 25, I'm trying to, hold on. Why is that? How do I get back in? Dang it. Why is that? Does anyone know why that is? Is it okay if I absorb your knowledge being here? Yeah, go for it. Why not just use WPF for the window? Editor, call. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Editor, let's see if we do that one. I mean, it seems like it's at the same place. And so we're going to open the current buffer in there. Okay, so Cool. So now, plenary. Plenary. Definitely messed that one up, but let's do a little plenary. Absorbing intensifies. Is it 25 characters to the right? Yeah, I assume it's that way. Plenary job. That's the one we're looking for. Plenary job. We're looking for a nice little plenary job. LibLua provides an example of reading a file. That sucks. Plenary async does this thing. That's nice. Let's do a job. Job. All right. Plenary job. New file. So I guess what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to do a tail, right? We're going to want to do a tail. Sink or start. Sink or swim, boys. There we go. All right. So we're going to try this old thing out. We're going to go tail. And let's go capital F. And then let's go local, share, neovim, LSP. Wait, what was it called? Dang it. I guess close enough. It's local state. State, neovim, log, bam. Okay. This is looking actually, this is shockingly looking good. We don't need an environment. We don't need this. I bet you there's some other things that I can provide here, right? I bet you there's some, I love you. I swear I'm not a bot. Thanks. Hey, no problem, buddy. All right, I'm going to go pee. I'm going to be right back, but I think this is looking pretty good. Because now I want to be able to read in the incoming data. It's supposed to be some sort of golden, you got the golden kappa?
Welcome to Costco.
Wait, hold on. Are you the golden kappa right now? Damn, you got, isn't the golden kappa just a single, right? You got the golden kappa. Did you know that? Dude, you got the golden kappa? Rare. That's cool. You only get it for 24 hours, yeah. It's like such, I've literally never seen somebody with a golden kappa. I've never met somebody with one. You are a legend, my friend. That is legendary. No, only one person on Twitch gets it. It's only, let's see, soon over, yeah. You had a phone call, mate. Did I?
For fun. And it's not fun getting CC'd over and over and over until you die, getting knocked back by, okay, so you have, like, for example, the boar, the charging the tusk fuckers. So the character has a delineation between close and distant damage, right? It clearly does. So why is it not possible that there is a scaling multiplier that if you are closer to the boars, you don't take as much damage because the momentum from the charging boar has not reached its peak? Logically, the boars should do less damage to you whenever you're closer.
The energy, Asmon, I hate to tell you this.
Now, is this ever going to change? Absolutely not. No, it's not going to change. But it's not fun either. The game is just simply, it's just, again, I don't care about like what is good for the health of the game, the longevity of the game. This is what players are doing a lot. This is the same thing that Lost Ark developers are doing.
I like Asmon. Asmon Gold. He's good. I don't care about Reddit. If literally there is only there's only one Reddit I care about, and honestly, it's actually becoming one of the best places. D4 is so effed. Honestly, if you're looking for good content to go read about programming, this is literally it now. This is actually incredible stuff going on here, which is a little bit shocking that this exists, right?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I actually really like this. You know what I mean? Hey, Jay, Fabio. Shameless plug. I know, the funny part is this shameless plug. Who told you to do Reddit? Cam did. Cam did. Let's see. What's going to stop the tail command for running from... It's a child process, dog. Admin ranting feels like the same. The horrible, slow murder with extremely inefficient weapon. Wrong. I did. Cam just set it up. Oh, Beastco. Beastco's a wonderful person. Beastco, let me give you VIP. Beastco, let me give you VIP. VIP, Beastco. Oh, you already are a VIP of this channel. My bad. Got you, though, dog. Anyways. Thanks. Yeah, I started using Vim because of you. Now sprint velocity is down. That's okay. Double VIP. I wish I want dude. I tried to convince him to give the primary moderator. It would be a double sword, and then you got to have like primary VIP. Don't you think that that'd be great? Like, wouldn't that be great?
Welcome to Costco.
Hey, thank you. The double sword would be great. The double diamond, you should work on something more than 6 months badge before start doing custom badges. Okay, get out of here. Wow, that worked. It worked, Radius. Get in the startup. VI double PP. And hey, let's VIP Shy Rai too. Hey, Shy Rai, you get it too. You get a VIP, and you get a VIP, and every one of you, if you're not getting VIPs. All right, now that we did that, so let's try this thing out. So I'm going to try tailing this thing, and not on exit. Let's go like this. Hell yeah. Hey, you deserve it, man. I don't know why I didn't do it earlier. Honestly, I have no idea why I didn't do it earlier. Start. All right, so let's go like this. I bet you there's a way to be like online or something like that. There has to be some more stuff on here. Let's see. I guarantee you there's something else. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Define your own callbacks. On standard out. There we go. On standard out. Let's go like that. Let's go like this. Print ln. Wrong language. Print. I have exited and now I die. Right? That's where we would make sure that everything gets shut down. Blah, 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 blah. That would be on exit. Let's go like that. Is there anything else? I guess there technically is on air. Should I be worried about that? On standard air. Okay, I like that they have that. All right, so let's go like this. What do we got here? We get J. Dude, what the hell is J in return val? I mean, I guess I know what J is. I mean, I guess I know what return val is. J, no idea, but return val, I know what that is. A, B, C. Print. Why am I getting indented so much? Oh, I was like, why am I getting indented? That's why. Okay, it was properly indenting. Let's go like that. Let's see. Out. There we go. All right. What was that? J result? Return val, J, result, bam, there we go. All right, so we got all these things. And let's go, yeah, start. Let's go back here. Let's do this. And, oh my goodness. What just happened? And let's go like this. Vim API, NeoVim, create buff. And what do we want to do here? Lua, Vim, API, create. By the way, sorry, if you're wondering, since I am more in like a work zone, I'm not nearly as responsive. Like, I'm really zoning in right here, okay? Back from overseas, time to get back into some Go and HTMX. Yeah, I think that'd be fun. Hey, thanks for the tier 2. Hell yeah, we don't talk about CSS. Some of us do. Okay, Beastco can talk about it. Beastco, you're allowed to talk about it. But hey, thanks. Thanks, buddy. All right, right, let's see, this is Lua, help, create buff, what do we got, listed, scratch, creates a throwaway, temporary for work, always no modify, well, it's going to be listed false, scratch, it's probably false also, I'm just not sure, can I just write to it programmatically without it, I got to remember, probably is what I want to do, I probably want to go literally false true, right? Local buff ID, right? What does it return? So it creates new unnamed, return a handle, 0 on error, okay. If buff ID equals 0, then error, failed to create buffer. Okay, let's just do that. So there we go, we got our buff ID, we got all this, and we're gonna go to 0 and go buff ID. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open a new window, we're gonna pipe it into there, we're gonna get these commands, and then on standard out, we're going to do something special. Okay, so start this thing. Tail cannot open state log, no such file. Really? Really? All right, hold on. I wonder if because I have to use Vim expand. Vim function expand. I wonder if I have to go like this. Is that how you do string concatenation? Is it two dots? I think so. I want to say I'm correct on that one. Okay, so B. So I don't know what A is, but it does look like B is the line we're looking at, and I don't know what C is. Okay, cool. So let's go like this. Let's go Vim inspect, and let's go like this. So I should be able to go like this, outline. Wow, and do that. And then let's go like this, out table question mark. All right, there we go. And then you can just be an underscore because I honestly don't know what you are. And I need... Oh, nice. Okay, so that worked. Messages. Oh, this is like the job object. Oh, okay, that's literally just the job object. Whoopsies. Yeah, okay. That's just the job object. Cool. So C is just the job object, which we'll get rid of that. So now let's do this. All right. So there we go. We got it. Outline, error. Okay. So now let's do one more thing. Let's go like this. Let's go vim api.buff and neovim.buff. I bet you it's like right, something like that. Or set lines is my guess. Make it happen, Copilot. Now let's just look at me go. Bam. Okay, it's not to be called. Okay, I really did try. I thought I was close. Buff set. Wait, what? 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 What did I do? Let's see. Buff start and strict indexing false replacement B. Okay. Hey, calm the hell down. Let's see. Buff set lines must not be called in a Lua loop. Oh, of course, that's what it is. Okay. Vim.api. Schedule. Vim schedule. This will, let's see, schedules a callback to be invoked as soon as the event loop useful for text lock. Yeah. Okay, it's a schedule function. Does that make sense? I'm pretty sure I'm going to start lagging my Vim goodness here any second because I'm just creating massive amounts of job. Expected Lua table. And set, oh, yep, okay. I hear you. You like what you're seeing? Do you like what you see right there? Okay, come on. Oh, yeah, that's the other stuff. Oh, crap. Quit. Get out of here. Okay, let's redo this.
Welcome to Costco.
All right, so this should just change. I was hoping to see this thing change a bunch. How do we make it change? I have a policy of not answering that question. I love that. Alchemist UBI, let's go. I appreciate that. Oh my goodness, Alchemist, let's go, buddy. Sorry, it's okay. I wonder if I'm getting more of these. So what I'm doing here, oh, I should have probably put like a little count, shouldn't I? There we go. That it will tell me again if this goes on. I don't know how to trigger more logs. How do I trigger logs? Okay. Don't be doing that. What am I making? I'm making something so I can debug LSPs really easily. You know what I mean? Really? Okay, so... Shouldn't I be getting more tails? Shouldn't I be getting more on stirs? No? 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 Well, damn it! Wait, I don't want to be there. I want to be in LS. Wait, what did I call it? LS? Yeah, I wanted to do LS. Yeah. Add to path, target, debug. Okay, hold on. Sorry, people. I'm working here, okay? He doesn't use monitor. He's connected through a pipe inside of his neck. Yeah, come on. We're trying. We're in here. We're just doing, you know, we're just doing some... I feel like... Am I not getting... Hold on, is that a new... I wonder if it just... Alright, 241. 241. 241. It's still the same message. Here. Tail F local state neovim LSP log. There we go. Usually that makes so I must not be triggering the thing. No logs are going in here. All right. Ooh, you know what? I bet I could cause a log. I think I could cause a log, people. I think I could cause a log. I think I could. I think I could. Add to path. Personal. LS. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there we go. Now I go into here. Let's just go in here. Let's just make this thing happen. You know what I mean? Have you ever wanted to do something you wanted him to, you could do anything, you would do him just to do anything? Can you do it more slowly? I can't follow along. No. Yeah. Yeah. I know it happens, doesn't it? Solid.js is a solid UI framework. Do him what? Isn't that what the kid says? Some. Oh, look at that! All right. So let's see if this thing changes. Oh, I don't want it to be printing things. Damn it. No. I don't want to be printing things. Wait, how do I do? Yeah, there you go. That's how you do it, Lua. All right. Is it not printing anything? Oh, you know what I could do? Oh, you know what I could do? I could jump over here. I could jump over here. I could go into the source. I could go here. That's main this one. And let's go like this. Main loop. No. Main loop. Threads.join. Can I do another one? Is there... Wait, what is IO threads? Oh, that just has a join? Oh, but I want another one. Damn it. You know, why you gotta be like this? Why do I gotta have those kind of threads? I want another thread. Let's see. Standard spawn. Right? Oh, no, it's thread spawn Right? Can I just do this? And then can I go like this? Loop, and then I can go standard thread sleep direction ePrint still alive. Would that do it? I think that would do it, right? Can we all agree that oh, has that been updated? Oh, I think that has been updated. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's feel it. Feel it. Let's go. We did it. Okay, so I think it is actually, I think it is going. Oh, did it just go again? Did I just miss it while I was over here bragging, doing this thing? Doing that little thing? You know what I mean? Did I just miss the entire, the whole biz? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. Let's just quit, and let's go back. Let's go here. Let's shout this thing out. So now, theoretically, I should be getting one every second. Look at that thing go. Look at it 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 go. Look at those debug logs. You know what that means? That means while I'm debugging, I can see these things. So now it's time to take that and let's up level it. You know what I mean? Let's up level it. What the hell does that even mean? Nobody knows what it means, okay? Hey, thank you very much. Thank you. I cannot believe it. Thank you for the balls. Clearly that is balls. That is clearly that is not a B. That is clearly not a B. That is just balls and shaft right there. That is balls and shaft. You know what I mean? Absolutely ball shaft. True. Okay. In the zone prime is a very weird prime. Yeah, shut up. Okay, let's go like this. Let's quit. Let's go back in. Let's go here. So, okay, so we have all the pieces we kind of need. So the first thing we should probably do is jump into here and, sender not found. Crap. Let's go into window. So now that we have window, we should probably have some sort of initness. In that nice. Yes, we should do that. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, bam. Let's take this thing. And, you know, every time I do this, I usually forget how to actually create some sort of nice table with functions. I literally can't remember that ever. Let's take these, and let's actually go back to here and jump onto here. Yeah, that seems right. That seems right. And let's paste it in here. Yeah, let's go back here. Okay. And let's go here, and let's go here, and that's what I want over here. And then let's go like this function, create. We'll call it this get window. Okay, that noob? It's been a long time since I feel like I've heard that name. Thank you. Many appreciations. How you doing? All right, so now we're gonna take this. Hey, Risk Runner, how you doing? Tier 1? Yeah, let's go. Hey, Rugmat, Teach. Salt my head. I thought you were going to call me when you wanted to do this. I did, but TJ, I didn't want to bother you during the day. This is just me doing step 1. I'm just doing something really silly. I'm just kind of learning the system, learning some of the tools I have, kind of thinking through if I were to be building anything, what would I be wanting to use? You know what I mean? Bushido. Sniping. Bushido. Sniping. Teach. And I missed a chance to self-promote. TJ, do you want to review my idea afterwards? Because I also need to figure out how to do like text groups. I don't know how to do that, TJ. TJ, how do you do text groups? Because you know what I'd like to do, TJ? Real talk, rail talk, is that I would like to be able to do something that's really beautiful, where when I call it up, there's like a big old window right here for debugging that's going to take up a certain amount of my screen, and the error or the warning will be right here in red or yellow. And then just kind of do like, you know, and then just put the message, right? And then I want to be able to filter what kind of LSP I'm trying to listen for. It doesn't take a window ID as the first argument. Why not open win, not window open? He is correct. I've already asked the question. This is me personally, I wanted everything under the Vim API.neovim win and then everything right here. I would prefer create win. I'm fine, or just create. But TJ, I already know, TJ. No need to tell me. Okay, I understand your message packing and all that and blah 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 blah. I get it. Okay. I just like I just like those kind of names. Okay, me personal. Okay, because then I don't have to play the game of what's the thing again. You know what I mean? Hey, thank you, Stasha Tori.
Welcome to Costco. I love you. Welcome to Costco.
I don't know.
I love you.
I'm really in a conflicted position right now. This feels like an edgelord name, but you also just gave me a Twitch Prime. Welcome to the startup. I hope that you have a great time here. Just hey, don't be an edgelord, right? You know, your OCD should look at the other window methods. Yeah, and then decide. I see that I don't want to break
Welcome
the
to
pattern
Costco.
for when taking win is the first argument. Yeah. Halbelst. Don't be an expert. Got him. Just a primate. That's well beyond silly. There's a bit of an edge to it, but we can handle it. What is it? Function, local function. Right? No, we don't want to do that, dude. Can I not remember how to create a function? Local m equals this. M dot. Let's see. Get window, or how about this one? Show window. I'm gonna call it show window equals. I thought it was called function. Oopsies. Okay, good. I remember how to program. All right, so I'm gonna do this one. Unuse the local m. Just hold your buns. All right, do one of those. So this way, I'm just gonna have a little function, a local function.
Welcome to Costco.
Create buffer. We'll just do that one and then do it properly with one of those. Paste it in here. Why not? Oh, this is not the right thing I wanted to do. Let's see, 13 down. Let's just grab one of those. Paste that in. Let's have create window. There we go. Look at that nice little thing. So it does everything we want. -1, right? There we go. It just returns. Error should just actually hard fail this thing, right? Error should just hard fail and show up. Yeah. Open sub notification. Thank you. I'm Meat Popsicle. Wow. Now that is silly. Oh, we're like in the middle of a playlist. What's that all about? What's that all about? I don't know how I feel about that. I kind of feel like I want something different. What do we want here? What do we want? Yeah, error raises an error. Do I want to raise an error for myself? I kind of feel like I should want to do that. I really don't like having, like, state like this. I hate doing this kind of stuff, TJ. Why do I hate doing that kind of stuff? You know what I mean? Is it because it's actually bad to do? I feel like every time I do this, I regret doing that. What do you return? All right, that's what you want. Local win ID. Is that better, TJ? Put it on the module and it'll feel less gross. Yeah. It feels worse on the module because then people can, like, see it. People could look at my module, TJ. You know what I mean? I don't want to do that. I'm building some custom stuff. Let's go like this. Actually, I like... Can I do that? What is it? It's Vim API dot is, let's see, valid. Yeah. Whoopsies, I already forgot what it was. Valid. Buff, win is valid, buff is valid. Nvim, win is valid. A win ID, yeah. Let's see. If win ID equals -1, or a buff ner equals -1, or make sure to not those last results. You are right. Wait, how do can I do that? I always forget in Lua. Sometimes Lua has just enough different syntax that I forget, right? So I'll just reset those things. We're back running, right? But before I do that, I should probably do something like this, just in case, because only one of those has to be incorrect, right? Let's actually go like this. Do I still have those in there? Yeah, that's 0. Let's go buff ner on that one. I kind of like that, you know what I mean? Wait. Let's go like that. I really need to get a little formatter for that. All right, so if it's one of these are not valid, then what do we need to do here? I need to go like this. If, I guess I should probably go like this. Shout out, Lua, Vim, API. Why don't I just go like this? There's like, close, right? There's close buff. I can close this. This thing just, is there anything? Let's see. It closes the window. Let's just go like this. Let's go like this. Lua Vim API.nvim. nvim win because it's the first one, right? So let's just try -1. What happens if I put in -1 true? Okay, so you know what I mean? How long can you go with your eyes closed? Not that good. What a rare sight. I do it literally multiple days a week on Twitch. Live. Feels weird not watching on 1.5 speed. Yeah, hey, oh, thank you. Same lame name. What do you want from me? Tonight, we're going to be probably doing HTMX again. I don't know. Maybe we'll do dynamic programming. Maybe we will do something else. Maybe JavaScript performance tonight. I don't know. But what I do know is I don't like the toot, okay, buddy? Okay, buddy? I'm more surprised you're actually getting into code instead of random subtrains. Oh, that's because nobody wants to sub to a person actually coding. Okay, so how do I want to do this? Because obviously we can't just, let's see. 69, right? It's going to give me an error, and I don't want an error. This is the way. Vim API.neovim win close win ID true. All right, and then we go here. We'll go here. There we go. We'll just make sure it's closed, and then we'll do that whole thing. There we go. Does that make sense? Does that make sense what we're doing? We're just making sure everything's closed and doing the right thing. You know what I mean? I don't know what this means by closed. That is not. Stop it! All right, so there we go. We got a show window. We got all this. And now we need some options for show window, right? We definitely want some options. So now what we're going to do is we need to do something with these options. You know what I mean? I got to pee again because I don't know if you know this, but I am going pretty deep on water today. Those are each a liter and some and some change. All right, I got to be right back. It's definitely a grip. It's a firm grip. It's a firm grip. TJ, on a scale of 1 to 69, how am I doing? Small P, statistically average, maybe. Maybe on the lower of the bell curve. Can you show me how to connect Terso via URL string thingy? Sure, I can show you how to do that. Do you want me to, can we do that, not here? Do you want to do, oh, 420 out of 69? Nice, okay, that's pretty good. How about this one, TJ? How about in a little bit, I call you, and we chat. Oh, wait, hold on, wait a second. Okay, good. How about this one, TJ? How about I call you here in about an hour, and you explain to me a little bit more about how these color groupings work and setting a file, and then I talk to you about Terso. I mean, local file dev is the easiest of them all, though, TJ. It's all in libsqueal. So, yeah. So if you just do libsqueal, Rust, honestly, this is like most of it is just right in here. Have you tried reading the doc? So if you just provide a URL and an authentication token and create a client with a config, it just like effing works. Like, oh, with OCaml. Oh. Well, the problem is you need a libsqueal client. So I don't know what the libsqueal Lite client is for that, but you need an auth token. You can look at this library though, because this is literally the library that you would use. Like, look at this. Look how cool that is, by the way. Can we all just take a moment to appreciate the fact that you can configure with a file or configure with that? Yeah, I think this is probably what you're looking for is this. Yep, that's why I want to try it out. Okay, I'm very curious how this goes. Is this used for Terso? Yeah, this is Terso. Terso supports this library. This is Terso's library, right? So the guy's an actual genius, which is why I genuinely appreciate him. So if we go to Globber, you can see, like, yeah, he's maintainer of libsqueal, right? So it's like all the stuff libsqueal. So he just makes really good libraries, right? I thought they were great. You add it and you use a GitHub link. No. What? No. How to spot a memory leak in that? Okay, so what you're gonna do is actually really, really simple. You're gonna use something called VMRSS. Okay, you're gonna go like this. Which VMRSS? Okay, you're gonna take this file. You're gonna copy and paste it because all it does is it just jumps over to the proc status file, then reads out a specific line that is the memory used, and you're just gonna simply let this thing go. And as this number goes upwards, and just doesn't stop going upwards, you found out you have a memory leak. I was going to make something 4 prime, and I was going to use Terso. Yeah, Terso's great. How is Obsidian so far? I haven't really used it. VMRSS, yeah, it's like a 4 cage pace. It's like the memory that your thing actually uses. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Yeah, I use it all the time. Like, here. Let's go like this. Test.t, whoopsies. Whoopsies. I don't want to have a tab. Test.js. Let's go like this. While true. And you can go like this. Function foo. Let's go like this. Const a equals this, and go like this. A dot push 69, and then go like this. Set timeout. Foo. There we go. So it can't just like derail completely out of the world. And we're gonna take this. And we're gonna go VM RSS and do that. It already died. Well, damn. Oh, no, there it is. That must have killed it. Oh, no, that was my LSP. Wrong one. Okay, so let's go like this. Let's take that VMRSS and do that. No such file. Damn it. Okay, so am I really just dying that fast? It should print some stuff out. Oh, I'm not calling foo like an idiot. Like an idiot. All right, there you go. Hit him with one of those. Take that, VMRSS, and there you go. You can watch this thing probably start growing at some point. It's not growing. Cool. Okay, we're slowly going higher, but not very fast. So let's make it go faster. Push. A is 69. B is 69 also. There we go. Let's kill that. Kill -9. Do that. Do one of these. Do one of these. VMRSS. So hopefully this thing starts going northward. Well, let's just see what happens. We'll come back to you in a moment. Okay, so you can see this one grows a little bit faster. Oh, or does it? We don't even know. We'll come back to you, huh? How about we come back to you? All right, anyways. All right, so we still have this whole job thing, which we got to figure out. So we have this thing, show window. It gets all this, and this thing should probably return Buffner, right? Oh, I kind of want the buffer of the window, right? There we go. Yeah, let's just return the Buffner. It feels good, right? There we go. Yeah, you can see it's just growing. Yeah, you can just see it's like growing and just keeps on growing and just keeps on going and keeps on going. Anyways, is this JS? Is he sick? No, are you sick? I stream on a separate computer, Windows computer, remember? I stream from Windows, remember? I'm actually just a loser, remember? Yeah, way too dank. Way too dank. All right, here we go. All right, so we get this. We get this show ops, and we should probably go like this. How do you do? What's the easy way to like copy things over? I forget. There's like ops equals ops or this, and then we got to go like this. Ops equals. Can I go ops? I forget. I don't think you can do that, right? Yeah, you can't do that. You have to do like some sort of table. No. It's a Vim table function. Table merge. Force is the value from the rightmost. That's what we're talking about. So I can go like this, ops or this, so I can go like this. I need some default ops and then ops for this. There we go. And so I don't know what my default ops are yet. Let's give it something nice. How about this one? Rows equals 5. Why not? So that's how many of these things we wish to see. And I don't know what else to have in here other than that. So we'll start there, okay? And so now when we go, we need to create the windows, right? So this is where things are gonna get a little bit more interesting, right? So we gotta go like this, loco. Okay, hold on. We're gonna get it. Nvim win. Nvim UI. UI. There we go. UI. It's called like UI. List UIs. It's like list UIs. Oh my goodness! I am a genius. I am a genius! Lua equals vim api.nvim.list. List UIs, let's go. Okay, and we're going to do that again, and we're going to get that back out. Look at what we got. Look at what we got. We got a width, people. We got a width. We know how big we're going to go, so let's go right here. Let's go like this. I should be able to do. No, there's just no way. This is not a real air. There we go. So we're gonna take this and let's just pap it up there. Let's pap it up there. Let's go like this. Local. Let's go like this. Local win width, or width should be. How about port width divided by 3? And this is where maybe we could have like some good ops in here. Maybe you could have some of that. And so let's go like this. And then I think this is this floor? Do we do math.floor? Yeah, just in case. There we go. And we should go with, we'll do a third. Maybe that's like where we could kind of, maybe we could kind of do something there. But why 3? Why not, right? Rows. There we go. Whoopsies. Yeah, let's go rows, right? Yeah. All right, so that means we push it all the way over here. Our width is this, so that means we need to go over to, a call should be port width minus width plus 3. Yeah, baby. Yeah. All right, what else? How many rows are we going to have? Our rows should be off by, like, 1. Okay, so that should be create window, show window. So let's do that. Yeah. Let's do that. All right, there we go. And so I should be able to go like this. Debug tools.show window options. What are my options? Rows 10. Why not? What's the error? Unexpected symbol. See, I knew it. I knew I didn't know this. It's, oh yeah, it's, see, I knew it. It's not. Dude, how do I do the reload? Crap, I can't remember how to do the reload. How do I do the reload? Where is the plenary reload? Anyone reload? Refresh. What? What the hell is it? TJ, help! How do I knock out the require cache again? Give me a tip. How should I talk to an IntelliJ enthusiast? Like you would talk to any other enthusiast. One sec. How do I... What's the thing? I know there's a way to remove... I thought it was in plenary. Is it reload? Reload. I swear there was something in here. Reload. I swear. Plenary reload. Reload module plenary. All right, table extended. There we go. And function show window. Okay, good. Oh, I forgot. I did the table. Yeah, I did. I am such a dummy. Remember, we got to go force. That's the one I wanted to see. Don't worry, TJ. I got it. TJ, I got it. Ah! Okay, there we go. All right, here we go. Success, great success. All right, so now it just sits there, right? And so now when I close it and I resource this, we're actually gonna close the whole thing because I don't have that. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Okay, so I want width to equal width ratio to equal, and this can be any number. How about let's try 40. Right? How about width ratio 40? Width ratio equals 1 divided by 3. There we go. How does that sound? Ops.width ratio. There we go. And so let's go back here and let's go like that. Better. Let's go like this. How about half? Okay. Looking good. Looking good. All right. So now let's really step it up. Are you ready to really step this? Are you ready to really step this thing up? What's the thing called? It's called like win resize. Okay, I need win resize, but I always forget how to do auto commands. I literally can never, I can never remember how to do auto commands. It's my weakness. It's literally my weakness. Just go like this. Actually, let's take out that. All right, so we're gonna do auto group CI this, and let's just call this thing LSP debug tools window. All right, there we go. And so let's see, we don't need one of these. We don't need a yank group, I don't think. There we go. So we have these things. Let's go like that. Let's put it down here. And then let's do that. So I guess I already had that right there. Let's delete you. And let's have this one. It's called win resize. Win resized. Oopsies. Paste. Oh, no. Paste, there we go, and go win window group, there we go, and command pattern. Ooh, we don't want that one. I think command can be a function, and print I have been resized. Let's just make sure that this all goes the way I would expect it to. Let's just make sure this actually does do it, you know what I mean? Shout out. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Command must be a string. Okay, I need to look at how to do an auto command. Nvim create auto command. There we go. We're gonna have to look at this, okay, boys and girls? I noob. Yeah, I know. Oh, I don't even know what I'm doing. Get my sunglasses on. I don't even have sunglasses in here, dog. Actually, I do. I do have sunglasses in here. I can do this. All right, what do we got here? Okay, so we need a callback. Everybody knows that, okay? Everybody knows that. I need a callback, okay? There we go. And so now we can go back here. We can hit him with a shout out. We got that. Now here's the big kicker. I have been resized. So now do you see what needs to happen right now? I think you do. I think you see what needs to happen, okay? And we're going to close that thing down, and we're going to go up to here, and I'm actually going to go like this. I'm going to take something called local function create window ops, and we're gonna go like this. We're gonna have a local previous ops, right? Bam. And so whenever we have the create window call, actually whenever we do show window, we're gonna go like this. Previous ops equals ops. Oh yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good. So we do this, and now I want to go 6 down, and let's just delete that, paste that in here, down, paste that back, and let's paste this, and go here, and then let's go like this. What is it called? Create, okay, I can't even see what's happening. All right, there we go. What is it called? Create windows op, Wait, what do you mean? What, hashtag? I know, we're going there. We're going. Okay, we don't want this. We don't want that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's what we want right there. So this is how we're going to do it, okay? what we're going to do is we're going to take all this information. We're going to go up here. We're going to grab this previous ops, and we're going to actually use it down here when we do this. Now, this is what we're going to do.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
If local has valid window, you know, only do this if we've been called, right? What is it called? Where's the thing? Yeah. Oh, it's down there. Dap that. There we go.
Welcome to Costco.
As long as we have that,
I love you.
we're looking good. As long as we have that, we're looking good. You know what I mean? Hey, thank you very much, Blazo. Let's go. And Dev, ho! Wait, what? 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 How you moving around so fast? Practicing time. All right, so here we go. So if we have valid, you know what we need to do? We need to go in here and we need to go like this. What is it? Oh, gosh, what is the thing called? It's called like win set ops. Yes. Wait, no. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Win. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's I swear it was set options. It's win something. Win set config. That's the one. That's the one. Vim API.in vim win set config. And what we're going to do is we're going to pass in win ID and then create it right there. That's what we're going to do. Okay. Now we're cooking, boys. We're cooking. There we go. Back that up. Plus that in. Back that up. Pass that in. Back it up. Plus it in. All right, and that's how you do it. Did he just have a deergasm? Hell yeah. Is he working on Someone Enlighten Me? We're doing some LSP work, dude. The Zoomogen. Dude, really fun to watch. Hey, thank you. How many words per minute did the glasses add? Grizzly? All of them. Hey, Grizzly, do you want to have a little selfie together this year? Yeah, what are you talking about? This experience, dude, I do need a keyboard cam. I have to reinstall something to be able to do a keyboard cam. I will do this. I will reinstall it to make it happen. LSP for which language? No. It's not for which language. You shut your ignorant mouth right now. Already have a spot saved on my scrapbook for it. Well, Grizzly, I'm going to be at TwitchCon, okay? I'm not going to lie to you. My shorts are going to be so short, we're going to have some exposure issues. Already planning on it. They're going to be light, acid-washed jeans that have been torn just high enough that if I do a sit-down photo, we're in trouble. All right? That is the plan. That is the plan. I hope you know that. I will not jump into any foam pits. Last year when I saw people, is that legal? Absolutely. Prime loves his Vim. You know that. Haskell, Rusto, Camel, Go. A great range of motion, though. Amazing range of motion. All right, so look at that. All right, so now let's go back in here. We have one more thing that we failed to do, which is when we actually show our window and we create our window, we do have one problem, which is that we do this thing right here. If I'm not mistaken, we do that one. Okay, so we're going to go here, and we're going to go like this. Perfect. 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 Let's go. And then let's go back. Let's go back here, and then we probably need one more item, which is going to be jump to window. So I probably should allow people to jump to the window. That is valid. You know what I mean? If not has valid window, then return. If we do, then we need to do, can I do that? Set current window, can I do that? Is that a real thing? I don't even know. Why would I know? Shout out. Oh my goodness, it works. Yeah. Okay, debug, tools, vim.schedule, function, yeah, and do one of those. Go here, go that, and go jump to window. Let's go. And then let's go like that. Bam, I'm up there. We're up, we're in, we're deep. Okay, jump out. Kill it. Okay, this is great. This is actually really great. Dap that, because, you know, you shouldn't be in the window, but I want to give you a chance to be in the window if you need to be in the window. You know what I mean? I don't want you to be in it. I don't want you near it. But if you need in, the doors are open. The doors are open, boys. And the hold on one second. I just realized I'm being a bit sexist. You know, I don't want to be that guy. Obviously, we don't want to be that guy. Obviously, we're not going to be that guy. So really quickly, hold on. Let me just fix this right away. Boys and 0.33% females. Okay, I know you're in the audience. I know there's a dozen of you right now. I can feel it. I can feel it. Okay, anyways. Yeah. 3%. Yeah, I know. It's actually, I am shook at the level I have right now. You know, like if you go to youtube.com and you go to Big Rando, wherever Big Rando is, he does not have that. He has like 1 point something %. He doesn't even know. There's dozens of us. There are dozens of us. Dozens. Jay Blow is 101% male. Yeah. Hey, how easy this is. Wait, what? Discord alert? Oh, do I have, no, I have Discord muted. Oh, yeah, I gotta go meet up. Hey, guess what, everybody? Guess what? I'm not gonna lie to you. My favorite coffee company in the world has reached out and is asking if I want to do a sponsorship with them. I would rather drink them than Phil's coffee. I know, shut the front door. Black Rifle, I love that they hire vets, but it's not Black Rifle. I'm not like dying to have their coffee, right? I'll drink their coffee, but I don't love it. You know, I wouldn't go out of my way for it. I would definitely enjoy it though. But I love that they hire vets, right? That's why I buy their hoodies, because I don't want to drink the coffee, but I'd buy the hoodies. Let's see. This right here. Yeah. Come eater. It's so good. I love it. And so we'll see. Indeed, dozens, I know. Yeah. Come eater. Yes, that's exactly it. Tristan 74726973746116E. You're absolutely right. Dude, they're so good though. Have you ever had these? No, if you've never had them, you would be shocked at the delicitude of them. Dude, you got a whole effing UUID in there. Dude, it's so good. Only furries drink this. Okay, you shut your mouth. See, I didn't know about it. I didn't know about this until Mark, CEO of Front End Masters, okay? Mark, CEO of Front End Masters, CEO, sent me 6 separate boxes of this so far. Maybe no, 12 boxes of it. Furry confirmed. What the hell? Okay, and I didn't know how good it was. That's awesome. I know I did. I said I really wanted that, and then they reached out. Dude, I was so... Chris Farley and the decaffeinated coffee crystals. But is he a furry too? Well, by association, if I am, I hate to tell you this, Mark, but guess what? Send some, dude. They're super good. What's his contact info for free coffee? Fresh, furry, CEO of Femboys, Mark. Yep. CEO of Femboys, Mark. I'm a femboy, okay? A front-end master instructor. Classically referred to as a femboy. Anyways, I gotta go. This is good. I made actually really good progress, because this is kind of where I want to be, is that I want to be able to take this and then put all the oh, actually, here we got a moment, don't we? We probably got a moment, don't we? We probably got a moment, don't we? Don't we kind of got to, like, you know, Don't we kind of got a moment right now? Yeah. Yes, we do. Okay, so what we can do is we can go like this. Oh, we don't really have a moment to do this, but we don't. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you, we really don't. But we're gonna go like this. Local M equals bam. Bang it down here and bam, make that happen, and then we're gonna go like this. M dot start equals function. Yes. What? If you'd use VS Code, that wouldn't happen. If you use VS Code, that would happen. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna die. I'm literally going to die. Let's go like this and go window equals require LSP tools window window dot show windows ops bam local buff ner equals this, make it happen. 13 down FB in here, F that B, you know what I mean, hit it in here, let's go. All right, so there we go. We're feeling good. All right, so now let's jump back over to my little debug script, and let's go like this. I'm going to go like this, window, and then I'll have debug tools. And I should be able to do this. What? Start? Yeah. What do you want? What do you want with my life? What do you want with my life? Yeah. You're probably over here thinking, how can I do that? Well, guess what? What have I told you? What have I told you? What have I told you? Try harder. Did you just see that thing change? Did you just see Testin change? Did you just see the Testin besties change, people? Yeah, we got this. And stop watching porns. Thank you. It rots your brain and makes you stupid. Literal, actual studies. Literal studies have proven that it just actually makes you dumber. Feature. We got the window. We got the job. Next is the cash. And that ass. Boom! That's inappropriate. And push it up. All right, there we go. Capital F. How do I do F backwards? Capital F. That's true. Dumb and happy. I was born today. Thank you. All right. Let's see. Is the got a sponsor, but not the Virgin? Yeah. Since Reddit died, my porn consumption dropped like 99%. Really? Nice. Good job. You got to watch Oppenheimer. I do. I really want to watch because I told you again. I literally told you that Cillian Murphy is my favorite. Like, he's one of my favorite actors of all time. I know, I have a weird one. Is it because penis have brain? Yeah, that's like literally it. Your ability to make technical decisions goes down by like some enormous percentage. Oh, did I just see the swoosh drag? Is the swoosh drag front end right now? Oh, he's on the front. Okay. I love Swoosh Dragon, but since he's on the front page and he's enjoying it, he's getting a big audience. Let's hit the Melky Melkster. I love Sushi Dragon, and I love Melky. I might even be going over and spending the night at the Sushi Dragon's house here in a couple weeks. Yeah, spreading the arms. We might do a little collab, a little collaboration. You know what I mean? Fun while it lasted. Yeah, it was a fun day today. Thank you for all the subs. Thank you for all the support. Again, I can't believe you guys would do that. Real talk, I cannot believe you guys support me at all. Right? Like, why are you guys here? Why are you guys here when I'm just doing this like fitful rage of rage coding NeoVim plugins and thinking about LSPs and getting things started and doing logs? I don't know why you're here, but I appreciate it. So thank you. Many thank yous.